Okay. I may in fact be live right now, but let's just switch over here and come over here to live. We are live. And let's just pop out there. Now, the first thing I want you to notice is that's not me up in the top right hand corner. That is my new, what's it called, an avatar. I just uploaded a picture to ChatGPT. Create me a character, an avatar of this photograph, and that's what it did. It gave me much more credit for the hair than I actually have. Okay. Uh, anyway, I am still live in the background. Let me know how the sound checks works. Check, 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 sound check, sound check. Okay. This. Alrighty. Okay, so let's go live. We're wrapping up, hopefully, uh, project 9 of 10 tonight. Then we'll begin another project. Well, next week we'll probably wrap up number 10. Then a week after that, we'll move on to a different project. As of right now, the project is going to be online sales data from Kaggle. Back, of course, as always, my friends, don't forget to click that subscribe button for me as well as the like button and the bell icon to be notified whenever I go live. Now, guys, always stop by the chat section and let me know how I'm doing, okay? Questions, comments, always you're welcome in the chat as well as in the description underneath the video. Okay, so the subtitle for this, so we're still doing a profitability analysis by region. So we did one, there this is, two questions. Now we're over here for this. So we're looking for identify regions with declining sales, provide insights on potential costs. Well, let's see what it says. Okay, so let's come back over here now. Let me know this. You know, the reason I stopped uh, using the cameras because there's too much lag in the videos between the sound and the video. I tried a couple settings and it didn't really work, so I decided to go with the sound only. Okay. Hopefully this will not be an Ash mirror. Have you seen the programmer on Twitch? It's called programming Ash mirror, and the guy all you see is the guy typing on the key, and supposedly it's live. All you see is the guy, typing on the keyboard on program. Maybe some notes on the right side of the screen. All you see is his hands typing. This person streams for at least an hour. So it makes me wonder: is this person really? Is this actually live? But anyway, we are live, and I am live. Okay. Attach files. Let's upload our data again. Furniture. And we look for furniture, Excel. And also be sure to take a look out for the video I did on the Central Park census squirrel census from 2018, 2019. Okay. Now I see this up here. This is new. Okay. I say here is, and it's trying to guess what I want. Here's the I want to kind of prime the pump a little bit. If you know what prime the pump means, go out and look it up. I bet you can find a video. Go to YouTube and search "prime the pump" and see what it says. It has to do with water, with the old days of manual water pumps. Okay, have you ever used a hand crank water pump? Well, it has to do with those. Okay, let's make it a little bit more tricky. Okay, Hey, someone viewed my profile on TikTok. I'll just go ahead and mention a brief note here about Bibles. I began doing a series of videos on both YouTube and TikTok. It has to do with the Bible called the Thompson's Chain Bible. And if you're interested in that, there is a link in the description. But there's also a link to what's it called? Nature's Harvest, called chocolate biscuit with peanut butter in them. I'll say right now, those things are absolutely delicious. There's a link, Amazon link in the description below the video also, okay? Okay, good. So now we got a list of all these things here. Do we have a total sales subcategory, total sales? Okay, so we got all the stuff here. State is a text, ship date, order date, good, excellent, okay. Now I'll just repeat again. I'm still here. I'm still live. Hope you can see my hands typing. Okay. Oh, I should switch to. I hope it'll. Well, it really doesn't. It makes no difference. Let's see if this switches to the canvas here. Very. Oops. I'm hoping this will be a relatively short. Uh, what's interesting is because we're not using the canvas. Okay, we're not using the canvas. It isn't actually displaying the. It doesn't actually automatically display in the code. So we got all this stuff here, right? Ace tools. Let's copy it from. And because it didn't specify canvas, it didn't automatically switch to canvas, which is okay. So how's the image look at night? Do you prefer seeing my face lagging behind, or did you? Here we go. Do I have the? Okay, let's copy this down to here. Okay, so let's go back up here. Let's load let's do our initial load. Okay. Let's go back down to here. Is Ace Tools actually installed? That's the question. We'll find out shortly. No, this has actually already been done, but we're going to leave it up there anyway. Let's see what happens now. Module Ace, no module called Ace Tools. So we're going to come over here then, okay? I thought I actually installed this, but I guess not. So our question is, do we have to go back and reinstall, reload the environment? That's the question. Install. I think it's actually, so we're going to try this. If this doesn't work, we'll we'll use pip. So the command has to be first, okay? Conda Forge is sort of like an extra, is an additional repository for Conda packages. But like I said, if this fails, what we'll use is we'll use pip. Come, I know some of you people in the background there. I see 4 views. Where are you? There's 4 people view this category so far. Where are you? Okay. Stop by the chat session and say hi. Okay. Upgrades interesting. Uninstall. 4 viewers, average view time. So you're here for at least 3 minutes on average. I need you to stop by that chat session and say hi. Okay. With any luck, this will be a fairly short session this evening. So, what kind of suggestions is it going to make to help boost the revenue from the region which isn't there? Okay, package not found. Let's try pip. Interesting. It says that it's already there. Now, where are we actually using it? We're actually using it down here, so we're not going to do this. Okay. Well, this says it's installed, okay, but it doesn't want to work. Let's clear all outputs. So this is requirement 3 of 5. Let's get rid of this. We'll leave it the way it is for right now. It worked. You only have one category. So come. Let's see what the numbers look like. So how do we go from 5 people to 4 people, from 6 people to 4? I still see 5 people out there viewing that. All right, come. I need you to stop by and give me a few words of encouragement, okay? Let me know how the sound check is going. We did some analysis, but it didn't actually give us any real numbers. Okay, very good. Very good indeed. West. Oh, excellent. That's number 4 of 5, right? Let's come down and create a report that recommends regions for increased marketing investment based on profitability and sales. This is going to prove to be a lot shorter than I thought it was, unless something really goes crazy here. We're only 20 minutes into the live stream. Unless someone shows up here, my friends, I'm going to bring this session to a close once this last question is answered. And that, my friends, what's the last thing we have to do? You have to 8 views and not one person in my chat session. What's with that? So the final thing we'll do this evening. Hmm. I think it's actually quicker to run from the command line than it is inside of actually when it is inside of say VS Code. Let's just check our final document here, and I'll of course upload the final code. Okay, good. Close that. 8 views and not one person in the chat session. What's with that? And of course, and there you have, my friend. There is your plots. There is your analysis for tonight. Thanks so much to the 8 people who did actually stop by and view the video a little bit.